All right, what's going on? This is Q from the flagship Bad Ship 1155 North Lake, and we have Alicia here representing Samsung, and we got George representing the Best of Buys. What we're going to be doing here today is a sign and send connected Samsung device demo. Alicia, what I need you to do, I need you to click the little files button there. I need you to find our document. Go ahead and open it up, and you want to open it up in Samsung Notes. Well, let's go. Okay. So yeah, you want to use the trackpad to do it. So right click on it. Open the Samsung Notes, so open with Samsung Notes. Okay. There's our document. Whenever it loads up, and you want to go ahead and spread. Let's get a good look at that document real quick. Go ahead and spread it open. It's touchscreen. You can do it. So this right here is the off-site field trip permission slip for George's daughter or son. I don't know what you got. What you got? Okay. Yeah. All right. So what we want to do demonstrate first is we're going to connect the laptop to the tablet. So what we need to press, Alicia, is Windows K.
Windows K.
And George, what I need you to do is swipe down from the top here. Swipe down one more time. You want to go to second screen, which is right there. All right, cool. And then Alicia, you need to find the tablet. Should be at the very bottom of the list. Sometimes is where it's hiding there. There we go. And then you want to hit duplicate. All right, so now y'all seeing the same thing, right? So you're on duplicate. Go ahead and click out of that. All right, so the first thing we're going to do just to demonstrate things, go ahead and find a place where you want George to show. First of all, on your screen, with your pen, show George where you want him to sign.
So
he can
George,
see it on his tablet.
I would like you to sign here.
See what she's doing here?
Oh yeah, I do see it.
So I'm going to actually go into my pen mode, and I'm going to mark in yellow where I want you to sign, George. Here. Okay. Take that from you.
You don't got to put in real information.
And then this one. Yep.
Yeah, so go ahead and sign.
All right, I'll just make that. I'll sign.
I was the lefty.
I am a lefty.
Oh, you can change your pen color. Go ahead and press black. There you go.
All right.
And so while he's signing that, you can see what he's doing in real time on the laptop. So what's going on here is Alicia is sharing this file with George, having him sign it in real time without the file leaving her computer. So she ain't got to worry about any kind of security situations and nothing like that, because she's not actually sending the file anywhere. It's still sitting on her computer right now. So there you go.
All right.
So it's all said and done. And so as long as both parties are involved, Alicia sign your John Hancock on there.
There we
Got
go.
lucky handwriting. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I blame it on being left-handed.
And so as you can see, both parties were able to sign on separate devices. And that is how we do send and sign. Thank you, guys.
That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool.